Hello guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your Poco F5. So in the first step, open the Play Store, then tap on the search bar and look for the fax app. Choose one of them. I'm always using the Easy Fax. So tap on the open, allow permissions, and now click on the plus to choose the source of your document. I'm gonna pick something in my gallery. Like this photo, for example. Of course you can select more than one picture. If you're ready, click import. Now you can add this a shape to the document and click arrow. Now choose the filter for your photo to make it more visible for the receiver. You can also add a signature text and graffiti by these icons. If you're ready, click accept, and now type the number. Choose the country from the list. You can give a small note here. If you want to add more documents, maybe from the other source, click on the plus and do it like before. If you want to send the documents from this list, get your free credits or just buy it and click on this button. And that's it. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.